So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to burn onion skin spiritually to attract massive wealth. If you desire money, if you desire prosperity, this video will help you greatly. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. My name is Pamela. In this channel, I share spiritual tips, messages, spiritual tips that will be a blessing to you. You doing it rightly, follow the instructions. With your faith, you will see things working perfectly, just like a magic. If you love spiritual tips, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. I'm going to be showing you how to make use of onion skin. How to burn the skin of onion to attract so many things for you. Okay, so this is by saying your request. With your faith, you will see things working perfectly. Without faith, this will not work. Of course, it will not work. Most things I share here, aside the messages I give you guys, are all natural. Like this onion is natural from plants and it's created by God. So this is something that attracts wealth. Not only wealth, not only prosperity. It opens doors. You can use it for protection. You can use it for prosperity, like I said earlier. For love, there's how to make use of it to bring love, to bind you and another person together spiritually. And you know, spiritual controls physical. With your faith, it will work, it will manifest in a physical realm. It also brings healing and money. Okay, so this is how to make use of it for prosperity. So you have to get onion as many as you want. If you get more, that will be better. So you have to get as many onion peel as possible. Okay, you can use more than 5 onion peel. Just make sure you remove the peel. As you are removing the peel, you have to do so with prayers. Every stage requires prayers. So this is to enable it to work very well for you. So before trying this, you have to tell God to forgive your iniquities in any way you have sinned against him, knowingly or unknowingly, that God should wipe off all your iniquities and make you whole again. That any sin you must have committed, knowingly or unknowingly, that God should pardon your iniquities. Then you have to, remove the peel of onion. Like I said earlier, get as many onion as you want. So as you are removing the onion peel, you have to be praying as you are doing so. Be removing them and be praying, telling God what you want. Okay, I've used onion in different ways spiritually. Check my channel, you will see how I use onion in different areas. Okay, you can use it, like I said earlier, to manifest love, to bind two people together. And there's how to also make use of onion to separate two lovers. Okay, I don't do that. So just be removing it and be praying, telling God what you want. Say your heart desire. For this particular one of using it to manifest money, you have to be saying your heart desire. Be saying your request. You have to be saying your heart desire. Be saying your request. You know what you want. You want to use it for open doors. For God to bless you financially. For God to direct people that will favor you. So this is not like a magic that will make money to start falling down from heaven or from the sky. No. Okay? So this is just like making God to bless every work of your hands. Like if you're a business person, you're a working person, making you to succeed in everything you do. Making people to remember you for good, to bless you financially. Making God to open doors for you. Doors of prosperity. Making you to meet good things in life that will promote you. And the result is going to be, the result will give you so much money. So you have to understand how this is going to work. If you have been passing through, if you are the type that always have this, if you always pass through, if you're always experiencing disappointment, delay, all manner of evil, all manner of rejection, by the grace of God, this will stop it. You have the ability to stop it, like opening doors, removing anything like bad luck, any evil thing that the enemy has placed in your life that is making you not to meet the right people, that is making you not to come across the right people. So be removing it and be praying, saying your heart desire. Be removing it and be saying your heart desire. Whatever thing you want in life, do it this way. So this particular one does not have enough peel. There are some onions that you will get. You can get so much skin, onion skin from it. But not like this. This one is actually very dry. Okay, I have one here. So be praying and be doing so, and No matter the quantity anyway, it will still work, but it's very important to get more so that when you burn it, it will be able to ignite, and burn very well. So when you are done collecting some onion skin, transfer it into a container, a non-plastic container or a glass, somewhere that is safe, so that it will not burn the surrounding. So after transferring it into this non-plastic container, then you continue praying as well. Put a fire into that onion, let it burn. As it's burning, your request will be granted. As that flame is going up, your request will be granted. God is going to grant your request. Anything that is hindering your progress will be no more. This also removes negative energies. Okay, there's one video I made, cleansing video, because onion itself is also cleansing. There's how to make use of it to cleanse out evil from your life. I've shown how to make use of it so that you use it to have your bath. It's right in my channel, check it out. So use it to banish all evil, to remove negative powers, negative spirits hindering your progress, making you not to have rest. You can still pray the same way to remove for protection. Ask that the Holy Spirit should flow into this, seek for God's presence so that this will work very well. And also make sure that your faith is there. Without your faith, it will not work. Okay? So go on and burn onion skin, and you see marvelous things happening after that. God will show you different ways. Like, God is going to be revealing so many things through dreams, showing you the right direction to take that will help you to succeed in life. So go on and burn this onion skin to progress for massive wealth, and you thank God for it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. Remain blessed as always. I'll see you in my next video.